Assalamu alaikum friends. First we have to open a new pot sheet metal. Then select a millimeter Newton seconds pot sheet metal as a unit. Then click OK. In this video we are going to discuss about offset, extend and split area. First we need to select a plane which you want to sketch and make it for sketch on view. Then we have to draw the rectangle as a base spot. Then click OK and go to the planar wall option and specify the amount of thickness to be created. Now the planar wall is created here. Then go for the offset option. Then select a sheet metal face which we want to make an offset. We have to specify the offset distance to be created. You can also specify the bend elements to be applied for the offsetted sheet metal based upon your requirement. You can also make a flip direction. Next we are going to select any edge of the sheet metal and then select the extend option in the editing toolbar. We have to make a extend the length of sheet metal option. Then we have to create a same extend option and specify the edge of the sheet metal. Now the selected edge of the sheet metal is to be extended for a particular length. Then select a split area option. Select a face which you want to sketch and make it to the sketch on view. Then we have to draw the closed sketch or open sketch based upon your requirement. Now the sketched area is get splitted from the existing sheet metal. Click OK. Go to the placement and define the splitted sketches. I just draw the open sketch here. Then click OK. Now the sheet metal is splitted successfully. You can change the direction of splitted area based upon your requirement. Now the splitted area of the sheet metal is generated successfully. Thanks for watching. Inshallah we will meet in the next video.